Hi, welcome to the demo session of Ragchews. Ragchews is a mobile application that lets you find like-minded people by location anywhere in the world to chat anonymously and get personalized and localized information in real time. Let's go ahead and open the app. I have deleted and reinstalled it so that I can show you the sign up flow. Once you open the app, first time after installation, it will ask for access to sending you notifications as well as your location. Both being the core functionality are required for this app to work. Let's continue the sign up. All it needs is your phone number to send SMS text verification. Once you receive the SMS code, you can enter it here and continue the sign up flow. And that's it. As you can see, it's pretty simple sign up flow. This is the home screen. There are three main options available from here. Chat icon for making contact by selecting location. But before we go there, let's look at the profile section. On the top, you can see there are feedback ratings and accumulated rating score. Based on those three ratings, your anonymous handle, your avatar symbols, your age group. We don't ask for specific age, but only the age group because people are more comfortable sharing that. So let's go ahead and select 25 to 30. Your location, whether you'd like to hide or show. That's when you are in someone's favorites list and you don't want them tracking your location, you can hide it here. Or your topic of interest. These are all optional information that is not required for this app to work, but the more you share, the more like-minded connections you are likely to get. And the last one is automatic mode. It lets you control what are the hours that you are available, which means you can receive notifications. Since this is chat with unknown people, if you don't like to be disturbed during certain hours, you can completely control that here. So you can set your start and end times. And even during those times, you can control how many max notifications you'd like to receive. So let's leave it at unlimited. As you can see, it gives you very good control over when you are available and during those hours, how many notifications you'd like to receive, as well as other data aspects to make more like-minded connections. Let's go back to home screen. Let's look at favorites. There's nothing here right now. Once we add favorites, we'll come back here. So let's go ahead and make our first contact. Once you are on the initiation screen, chat initiation screen, it auto detects your location, Santa Monica, that's where I am right now. But you can pick any location in the world, let's say London, or you can use the map. So once you go to the map, since you type London, it auto selected that. You can select other locations from London as well, from map as well. So let's say, let's just pick a random location from here, Manchester, UK, and you come back here and that location is selected. Let's go ahead and leave it at Los Angeles for now. That's where I am, or it could have been Santa Monica. And let's also select what is my topic of conversation for this chat session. As I said, when you share this thing, it will try to match your age group as well as the topic request with the profile of people available and make more like-minded connections. Let's go ahead and send the request to find Ragchewers. Once you submit the request, the servers will find all the available people and send them notifications. So let's go ahead and submit the request. I'm ready with my other phone here. And I just received the notification there. I'm accepting that. Once that happens, you get a notification back saying, hey, we have found a match. Someone is available in your desired location. And once you say OK, you are both in one-on-one chat session. Let me go ahead and send hi, respond from my other phone. On the screen, there are a few other functionalities available. On the left, you can see Santa Monica, and there is a star sign next to it. So you can add not just people, but also locations to your favorites list. So let me add Santa Monica to my favorites list. You can see on the right is the topic of conversation. That's what I wanted to chat about. And in the top center is the X button, which is to end the chat conversation. Unlike SMS text, which just keep on going, since this lets you control the aspect of when you are available and whether you like to be disturbed or not, if a chat session is not going well, or when you're done, you can disconnect specifically by using that disconnect button. Let's look at the hyperlink of this user. Once you click on that, you can see the profile of the other user, their areas of interest, their location. If this person had hidden the location from profile section, then it would have not shown here. And every chat session you can rate the user. But this screen is also shown at the end of every chat conversation. So let's not do anything right now. I want to show that functionality. Let's go ahead and disconnect this chat. So once I click on the X button, it confirms you would like to disconnect. And as you can see, it shows the same screen again. To rate this particular chat session with this user, let me do that. You can also add this person to your favorites list, or the other person could initiate that, and unless you accept it, you both will not be in your favorites list. In fact, let me do that so that you can see specifically it asks for mutual consent. So with my other phone, I'm requesting to be added to the favorites list, and once you accept it, you both should be in your favorites list. So let's go ahead and confirm that, going back to the home screen. And now if I look at the favorite screen, you can see there is one favorite person and one favorite location as well. The other important functionality of this app is once you have someone in your favorites list, you can contact this person directly. It will still honor their availability hours, and if they are not available, you can leave an offline message for your favorites. But other than favorites, you can never reach a person directly. It's very safe from that perspective. So let me go ahead and reach out to this person and say yes. Again, I'm sitting with my other phone, which is in the favorites list here, accepting the notification, two-way handshake, and we are both back to one-on-one chat session. Let me disconnect from here. I also want to show the functionality how notifications are received when someone else is trying to reach. Let's show the functionality of chat by location, which is the main functionality. So from my other phone, I'm requesting to chat with someone in Santa Monica, and our servers will send notifications to people logged in from Santa Monica or available from Santa Monica. Let me go ahead and do that. I will optionally select the topic of interest as well. Okay, so I received the notification here. I'm accepting it. The notification goes back to the user, and now we are back in one-on-one chat session. So I've showed you the functionality of making the contact as well as receiving notifications when someone else is trying to reach your location. Let's disconnect from here. Since there were no chats done, it did not ask for any feedback. On the top right, there is a menu section. The important functionality available from there is you can look at your chat history and see all the previous chat conversations. Looking at menu again, the other important functionality is offline messages. There are no offline messages here, but if you had any message from your favorite, this is where it would show up. And that concludes our Ragchews demo session. Thank you very much.